Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller when it won't stop vibrating on the PlayStation 4. Now, the first method you can try is to hold down the PlayStation button. So if I hold down the PlayStation button right on the front here for about 10 seconds, the controller will actually manually shut off. So I'm holding it down, and you'll see the blue light on the back here is going to go ahead and turn off. So I just disconnected the controller. Now, also, what you want to try is to grab like a toothpick or a bobby pin or something like that, flip over the controller, and there is going to be a small hole right here. If I press this down, this is going to reset the controller. And also, it's going to turn it off. So this will stop the vibrating. Now, another thing that you can do if you have access to your PlayStation and you're still able to move, you can go up to Settings, then go on down to Devices, go to Controllers, then you can disable vibration right here. Just uncheck mark that. Another thing that you can do is hold down the PS button, and then go up to where it says Sound/Devices, scroll on down to Turn Off Device, and you can turn off your PlayStation 4 controller through this menu as well. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.